Hi, I'm Erin, and I'm the chef here at the 2016 Food and Sport Retreats in Sedro-Woolley, Washington. And today I'm going to show you how to use a high-speed blender to wet chop. So basically, wet chopping is using your blender to save time to chop things up into little small pieces. So you can use carrots, you can use cauliflower, cabbage, any kind of vegetable that is nice and firm and won't turn mushy when you blend it. So the difference between using your blender to wet chop and just using it regularly is that you add water. So when you add the water, what that does is allows the vegetables to float, and it doesn't blend it up completely. It just chops it up into little pieces. So what we're gonna do, I have some carrots here. I'm just gonna give these a rough chop, so maybe like an inch or two, and put them into the blender. And once you've done that, you can add your water. And you want to add enough water so that your vegetables start to float above the blades. So we'll add like at least an inch or two above the top of the vegetables that you have in there. And we're just going to blend it on medium to low speed. And that's all there is to it. Now, basically all you're gonna do is strain that mixture to get the water out, and then you'll be left with a finely chopped veggie. So as you can see, that just took a second, and if you were to chop all of that by hand, it would take a lot longer. So it's an awesome tool to use to make any kind of veggie dish that you just wanna add a little bit of a different texture to.
My grand obsession was to bring health and a healthy message to as many people as possible. And through the course of my career, I've helped thousands of people regain their health, and thousands of athletes reach levels of performance even they didn't think was possible. I've done the same for you by spending more than a decade creating and rewriting Perpetual Health until I finally got it the way I wanted. I bring you Perpetual Health 365 because on these pages, you can get the benefits that you want from a book on health. If you want to learn how to do fitness to the max, healthy thinking and healthy living for the best possible results, how to eat well, how to interact with others, how to get a sane and healthy view on weight management and personal interactions, and even your own self-talk. Perpetual Health 365 is the book that will change your life for the better.